Managing one or multiple vehicles is easier when you can see exactly what's happening in real time. Today, let me show you how to get started with FLEETA in 3 simple steps. Choosing a compatible BlackVue dashcam, preparing a SIM card, and then finally, choosing your FLEETA plan. FLEETA is designed for fleet monitoring and management. It can scale from 1 to over 1,000 vehicles. Users can access live video monitoring, live location tracking, geofencing, instant notifications, as well as AI features on the higher plans. Users can manage their vehicles remotely from anywhere in the world via the mobile apps or a web browser. First things first, to use FLEETA, you will need to choose a compatible BlackVue dashcam. There are 3 main categories. The first category is the LTE dashcams. Those dashcams come with a SIM card reader. Basically, they can connect to the internet by themselves by using a SIM card that you must source by yourself. We'll talk about that later. Second, the standard cloud dashcams. So those dashcams can connect to the cloud using an LTE module or Wi-Fi. And finally, these box models are designed for stealth as well as heat mitigation because you can place the main unit in a safe place of your vehicle. They come with a button to trigger manual events, and they support up to 3 channels: front, interior, rear, specific cameras like the driver monitoring system camera, or waterproof rear cameras. As I mentioned, if you're not choosing an LTE model, you will need this CM100G LTE. It's the connectivity module for BlackVue dashcams, which is compatible with all dashcams that don't have built-in LTE connectivity. Another key consideration is that all the BlackVue cloud-compatible models can connect to FLEETA using Wi-Fi. So if you have, for example, Starlink in your vehicle or any sort of Wi-Fi hotspot, you will be able to make use of that hotspot to let your cameras access FLEETA. All these dashcam models and a lot more are available on BlackVue.com. So head there first to choose the model that will fit your needs. To connect your dashcam to FLEETA, you will need a SIM card and active data plan. We recommend a 4G LTE SIM card. If you pick a 5G LTE SIM card, it will work too, but it will automatically fall back to 4G mode. When it comes to choosing a data plan, I cannot give you a specific number because everything will vary depending on your usage. However, I can give you some data points to help you choose. First of all, tracking. GPS tracking really use almost no data, is insignificant. So any plan will likely do. If you have anything starting from 1 gigabyte per month, it should be enough for simple GPS tracking. Now, streaming. Streaming videos over the cloud, that's gonna use about 1 megabit per second. Think about it as a 7.5 megabyte file every minute. For an hour is 450 megabytes. So based on that, you can sort of calculate your usage in a given month. And in terms of downloading the videos or playing back the actual original video files over the cloud, that will vary depending on the actual resolution and bit rate of your dashcam. At the maximum, currently, if you have a 4K model, the front camera will record about 450 megabytes per minute. Each file will be 450 megabytes because it records 1 minute files. And that should be enough for you to sort of calculate your needs. Of course, if you're just streaming or just using geolocation, that's going to be pretty low in terms of data consumption. But if you want to back up the original files, then it will take a little bit more space. Also note that the live event uploads, the auto upload events, those use the same bitrate as the streaming. So it's also 7.5 megabytes per minute. Now, as I mentioned before, if you already have some internet-enabled Wi-Fi connection in your vehicle, you can make use of that access to connect to FLEETA. In that case, you won't need a SIM card. Once your compatible BlackVue dashcam and SIM card are ready, it's time to choose a FLEETA plan. Whether you are an individual looking to protect your own vehicle or a business owner looking to monitor your whole fleet, there is a FLEETA plan for you. Head to fleeta.io/pricing for an overview of all the plans available. The monthly plans include Starter, Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. If you switch to Annual, you can see options for Pro and Enterprise, which come with a discount. In terms of features, the higher the tier, the more remote live view you get, the more remote playback and downloads you get, and the more cloud storage you get. Compared to the Starter plan, the Standard plan lets you manage up to 10 dashcams and gives you access to GPS tracking history and also voice calls. With the Pro and Enterprise plans, you get access to exclusive features such as multi-live view, geofencing, bulk camera management, email notifications, and more. With the Enterprise plan, the unique features include up to 64-channel live view, AI reports where you can ask the AI copilot by chat or using presets to generate general insights about your fleets. And then you get also double the cloud storage with up to 50 gigabytes per camera. Now, a little tip for you to get started. I would recommend to start by downloading the FLEETA app. In there, you can create your free account, and with that free account, you will be able to test the connectivity. If everything works, then you can sign up for any of the paid plans. Now, if you're a power user or a business owner, why not take advantage of the 14-day free trial of the Pro plan? Last but not least, we are running a launch promotion on the Pro and Enterprise plan until the end of 2026. That means if you sign up for the Pro or Enterprise plan, whether it's annual or monthly plan, you will lock in a whole year at that discounted price. And knowing that the annual discount also stacks with that launch price, you get up to 33% off the Enterprise plan if you choose annual. Ready to get started? Visit fleeta.io to check compatible dashcams, check pricing, and choose the right plan for your fleet. We will put the links in the description. As always, if you have any question, make sure to post in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.